So today we got a hole saw, and mainly we use this to do recess lights on the ceiling. And the nice thing, it comes with a cover, so when you're drilling on the drywall, it doesn't throw the dust on you. You gotta put it together. It comes with a bit, it goes in here, and then you can lock it in place. It gives you your Allen wrench. So make sure you loosen it a little bit. Make sure the flat side is towards your Allen wrench, so it went in there already. And then you just lock it in place so it doesn't go out. It's locked. And this pushes up and forward. As you see, when you start screwing, it has two pins that pull out and they come back out. So you start threading, be careful because this is sharp. See, they're already in there. It's in place. Basically, you have your drill. It goes through here, as you see. So that's how it works. If we were doing the lighting, right now we're gonna show you on a piece of wood, so that's all we're doing. Put it on first so you don't hurt yourself. And so I'm gonna clamp it. Always use safety first. So right now we're only showing you. And make sure you go slow because this is really powerful. This is an 18 bolt. Make sure you don't use something bigger than that because if you're not used to power tools, it might twist your hand. As you see, gives you a clean hole. This dimension is also used for when you use your bench on the kitchens. It's a perfect size, a 4-inch hole. So I unthreaded myself, and you can also use a flash screwdriver to get your wood out. Once you get it out, you can basically poke it with a screwdriver. Out. And there you go. Hope you like the video.